Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's in this channel, here I am talking about shortcut key, all the shortcut key of Windows 11 in desktop. So let's get started. Here are some common shortcut key for Windows 11 on the desktop. First, window key, open the start menu. Second, window key plus A, open the action center. Third, window key plus T, show or hide the desktop. Fourth, window key plus E, open file explorer. Fifth, window key plus I, open setting. Sixth, window key plus L, lock your PC. Seventh, window key plus M, minimize all windows. Eighth, window key plus P, project to a different screen or display. Ninth, window key plus R, open the run dialog box. 10th, window key plus S, open the search bar. 11th, window key plus X, open the quick link menu. 12th, window key plus print screen. Take a screenshot and save it to the picture folder. 13. Alt plus tab. Switch between open windows. 14. Control plus C. Copy selected text or item. 15. Control plus X. Cut selected text or item. 16. Control plus V. Paste copied or cut text or item. 17. Control plus Z. Undo the previous action. 18. Control plus A. Select all text or item in a document or folder. 19. Control plus F. Open the search function within a document or web page. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more information right now.